Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these beautiful Apatite blue sparkle diamond resin coasters, so let's jump in and get started. All of the pigments I'm using today are all by Lorez. You can get them from Laura's Art Corner on Facebook, and I have a coupon code for you guys too. Be sure to check out her store. I'll link it down below in the description. I'm going to be using Apatite Blue Metallic Epoxy Paste, Molten Gold Epoxy Paste, Angel White Epoxy Paste, the beautiful Sparkle Diamonds, and Glitz and Glam Pigment in Stardust. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin art and you want to see a tutorial, I will link one of those down below in the description, and it shows you step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments. I'm using the Clearcast 7050 resin from the Epoxy Resin Store. It's my new favorite resin, and I have a 20% off coupon code for you guys too if you want to give it a try. So what I did, as you could see, was just added a little bit of clear to my molds here, and I'm going in with those beautiful sparkle diamonds just in the center and kind of pushing them down so they're nice and submerged in that resin. And we're going to do kind of like a straight pour. I went in with my Apatite Blue, Stardust, Angel White, and then the Molten Gold, and just went in and did a straight pour just like that in each of the coasters. Super simple and easy. This technique is so fun and it's so easy to do, and you'll see in the end in the close-up they turned out really pretty and wispy too. Just adding a little bit more gold, and I'm going to swirl the colors around here, hit it with my heat gun to pop any bubbles, and then cover it up and let it dry for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to demold it. And here they are, all nice and dry. They turned out really cool. They have a lot of fun depth and dimension, just by the way you layered the colors before you did the straight pour. I don't really like the back, but the top, which is what you're seeing right here, turned out really nice, so I was happy about that. And the sparkle diamonds are so pretty. They don't lose their sparkle when they're submerged in resin. A lot of stones will do that, like CZs or any other stone. They kind of get dull when they're submerged in resin, but these ones don't. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll link them down below in the description, like I said, along with my coupon code. So I'm just going to finish demolding these, and then I will bring you guys in for a nice close-up in some better lighting so you can really see how they turned out. I went ahead and tried to do the edges with a silver Sharpie, and that didn't really work out too good. I thought, well, hey, Sharpie's permanent, it might work, and it wasn't a good idea. So I don't recommend that. But one of my art friends said that it worked for her, but it didn't really work out for me. So I was like, okay, well, at least I tried. Now I know, right? I'll have to get like some silver leaf or silver gilding paint and go back in and go over these, but it looks really nice with the silver edges on here. See how wispy it turned out? The angel white's just so pretty. It's a really great, nice opaque white if you guys are looking for one. And here's the edges. The silver went really nice with them. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I hope you give this technique a try. It's a lot of fun, and they turn out really pretty in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. And I'll link all the materials I used along with my coupon codes down in the description. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday for another video. Bye.